Today we're going to show you how to install your banner in your Stratus Retractor. This is a quick and easy process, so let's get started. So once you have your leader fully retracted from the base, put your locking pin in the little hole to lock it into place so you're able to put your new banner in the display. So with your leader held in place, you're going to carefully flip the base upside down so that the hook and loop fasteners on the leader face up. Next, simply line up the hook and loop connections found at the bottom of your graphic and on your leader. Next, remove both end caps from your snap rail. Open your snap rail and feed the top edge of the graphic into the rail like so. Snap it shut. And replace your end caps. Next, lay your banner out completely flat and gently hold the leader in place as you remove the pin from the base. Next, gently retract the banner back into the base like so. Now that your banner is completely retracted into the base, go ahead and turn your base right side up. And that finishes the banner installation on your Stratus Retractor. Now you are ready for kit assembly.